Good morning, my dear students of 3rd standard. Let's start chapter 9, The Zebra's Pajama, which is at page 70. Dear students, have you ever surprised why zebra always wear pajamas and now they cannot remove them? They have become a part of their skin. Long ago, in the days when animals behaved like humans, there lived a horse family. There were three brothers, Stallion, Mule, and Little Zebra, and their one sister, Palomino. Stallion and Palomino were nature lovers. They got up early in the morning and always running around in the fresh air. Both of them never got tired and they always took part in all happenings around them. Mule was not like his brother and sister. He did crazy things sometimes. He was stubborn and hard working. Little Zebra was the youngest of all. He was very different from all. He did not work like Mule and he was not active like Stallion and Palomino. He was lazy. When his brother and sister would go out in the morning, Little Zebra was always in his night pajamas and always refused to go with them outside. Night time, when Stallion and Palomino went for a walk after dinner, he as usual refused to join them. He always said, I am feeling sleepy, and change his pajama and go to sleep. Little Zebra always lived in his pajamas. He was youngest of all. No one said anything to him. So he grew lazier and lazier day by day. One day, the king of the animals called all the animals for a meeting to discuss how the kingdom should be ruled. It was compulsory for all the animals to attend the meeting. The horse family was also called. Stallion and Palomino woke up early for their morning walk and were ready for the meeting. Mule too woke up early and finished all his work and got ready for the meeting. But Little Zebra was still in his pajamas. Mule, Stallion, and Palomino poked him, but he refused to get up early in the morning. They left him at home and went off to the meeting. But they were worried of what would happen if he will not present in the meeting. In the meeting, the king noticed Zebra's absence. He got angry because Zebra disobeyed him. He demanded that Zebra should be here brought immediately. Stallion went home, woke up Zebra and told him that king had ordered him to come immediately. Poor Zebra was so scared that he ran as he had never run before and he did not change his night pajamas. The king got more angrier after seeing Zebra in his night pajamas. The king shouted at Zebra, You came late and still in night pajamas in front of me. Now you will never remove your night pajamas. Your next generation will forever have to wear pajamas, and from that day, zebras wear pajamas. Dear students, this is the story of this chapter, The Zebra's Pajama. Now, You have to read it carefully. This is your homework. And if you have any doubt, we will clear in our Zoom meeting next week. Thank you. Have a good day.